Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. All these days we have been discussing different topics in our maths textbook. Right from today we are going to learn subject in a systematic way. Today onwards we are going to use textbook and notebook. We have a FA1 exam from October 7th. Okay. So, now I give the syllabus. Now, listen carefully ma. This is your diary. Okay. This is your diary. In the diary, this is a FA1 syllabus is there no. So, this is the page FA1 means formative assessment 1. All of you open your diary. All of you open your diary ma. And open the page formative assessment 1. Okay. Okay ma. So, now all of you open your diary in this formative assessment 1 and here subjects are there. Look at them. Look at the book ma. Here subjects are there. I am teaching mathematics subject no. So, now you write the syllabus here maths. So, I draw the here I can write here subject and here I give the syllabus of maths. Okay. So, now in maths column you can write the syllabus. Okay. So, now what is the syllabus today? What is the syllabus of FA1 means formative assessment 1 chapter 1 pages 1 to 8. Okay. Copy all of you. Okay. All of you copy the syllabus ma. Okay. What is the syllabus? Maths syllabus. Chapter 1 pages 1 to 8. Okay. Now, here where here maths syllabus is there no, maths here subject is there no, here you can write this box date of exam, this box leave it and you can write here. Okay. Here big box given no, in this you can write a syllabus. What syllabus? Maths syllabus you can note down. After writing after this all subjects you can writing after put your parents signature. Okay. Okay. Check it all of you and concern your parent is there no, in parent signature here. Here put here your parents signature. Okay. This is a diary. Okay. In your class we have a mathematics for we have a 2 books. What are they? One is textbook, another one is notebook. Okay. So, all of you cover your books and labeling and then after you can write your name here, name and class, which class you belongs to, 2nd class, and then you write here subject, which is subject, mathematics. Okay. Next, school, Montessori group of schools. Okay. So, then you turn the paper and again here also they are given name of the student, your name you can write here, class you can write your class, which class you are belongs to. Okay. You can write. Okay. Then rule number, your rule number means write as you wish, rule number you can write or not write as you wish, and section, which section you belongs to, rose, lily, jasmine or lotus, which section you belongs to, or orchid. So, which section you belongs to, there you can write your section and then after you can write subject. Here subject given means whatever here asking ma, that all things you can fill up it. Okay ma. Understood? School means Montessori group of schools. Okay. Then turn the paper. This is your maths notebook. Okay. This is your maths notebook. Okay. Okay. Andaru chustunnaru gamma. This is your maths notebook. So, this is white pages long book. Okay. So, this is a white pages long notebook. So, all of you take your maths notebook. All of you take your maths notebook and first page. Take your first page. This is a first page. Okay. You can draw the lines. Okay. Draw the line. First you take the long scale. This is long scale and take the long scale and put into a book. Take a pencil means take your pencil. sharp the pencil. Okay, you can sharp the pencil and draw the line. So here draw the line full scale margin. Okay, full scale margin. Once I look ma here, look, take full book. Okay, so here full scale margin and you draw the line like this. Okay, understood? And again here turn the paper and again here also you take full scale margin. I will show you. Here, look ma, here full scale margin you can draw ma. Students, all of you draw like these lines. Okay, check it once. Here, like this. Okay, here full scale margin means horizontal line, vertical line. Okay, this is your classwork. In this classwork, here you can write a heading. So, here you can write a heading. Look at the board once all of you. I am writing here heading ma. Okay, classwork andar teeskunnaru kada. So now you draw the line. Okay, like this, and here now here board 2 also I am draw the line. Okay, okay, draw the line and here write date 7/9 means today which date? Yes, 7th, and which month? 9th month. Okay, 7/9, and here put a heading, write first chapter. Okay, this is the first chapter. What is the chapter name? What is the chapter name? 2-digit numbers. Here 2-digit numbers. Okay, 2-digit numbers. Okay, now I show to your notebook ma. Listen, likewise here you can write like this. Okay, here first chapter 2-digit numbers. Okay, all of you take your notebook, take your pencil, sharp the pencil and write with neat handwriting 2-digit numbers. Okay, then you take again scale and again here this is your book. In this book you draw the line, middle line, draw the line all of you. Okay ma? So now I will show to in your book like this. Okay, this is okay, 2 lines you can draw ma. Okay, here listen carefully, first you draw the margin, then you can write here heading 2-digit numbers. Okay, then here middle of the page you can draw the line with a pencil. Okay, draw the line with a pencil. Students, first you write the question, write numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so now you can write here, take your notebook, write like this. Okay, write numbers 1 to 100. Okay, write numbers 1 to 100. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now here and you draw the middle, you draw the line middle. Okay, you draw the line middle and here up you can draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, understood all of you ma? So now you draw the line. Okay, now I will show to board. So this is your book and you can draw the middle of the page, you can draw the line. Okay, I will show here likewise. Okay ma, in the page you can draw the line like this and here 1, 2, 3, 4. You can draw the line, 4 lines. Now you can write the numbers. Now you can write the numbers. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, these are the numbers. We can write 1 to 50 in this class. Okay, next class we can write remaining 50 to 100 numbers. Okay, so now you can write here only half of the page only, no. So now we can write here 1 to 10, again here 11 to 20, here 20 to 21 to 30, and here 31 to 40, and here 41 to 50. Okay, understood all of you? So now I am drawing here 4 lines. Here first line you can write 1 to 10 numbers. Second line you can write 11 to 20 numbers. And third line you can write 21 to 30 numbers. And fourth line 31 to 40. And fifth line you can write 41 to 50. Okay. So whatever homework means whatever a class give in each day, you have write in classwork and send the photo to the concerned class teacher. Okay. So next class we will write again 50 to 100 numbers. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.